Hi, it's Darno at Whale Oven Recipes. Today, I'm going to be roasting a whole cod fillet in the Calphalon air fryer toaster oven. And we'll see how it does cooking up that cod right now. So here's my cod fillet. It's just 1 pound. It's not very large. I've got it with the back side up because I'm going to season the back side first and then flip it over. For seasoning, I've got applewood smoked sea salt, and I've got some freshly cracked black pepper, and I've got one more thing I'm going to grab real quick. I've also got 1/2 of a freshly cut lemon. I'll use the other half later after it's cooked. But basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the lemon juice on it and put the seasonings on it as well. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and start warming up the cooker. So I'm going to, now that it's on, turn it up to roast. So we got it on roast, and going to set the temperature to 375. Cooking time, I can leave it at an hour because I'm going to be using my iGrill 2 temperature probe here, and I'll have a meat probe in there keeping track of temp, and I'll be cooking to temp instead of time, and I'll just use the 1 hour time that's there to have an even number to count down from. But for now, hitting start, going to let that start preheating. While that's preheating, going to be getting my lemon juice and my seasonings all over this codfish fillet so that it'll be ready to go in once the preheating is done. So now I've got it all seasoned up. You can even see some of the lemon seeds fell out of the lemon as I was squeezing. I'm going to just leave those on there and going to get this meat probe deep into the interior meat here. And so with that, everything is all set. And once the preheat's finished, we'll get it on in there. Preheat is finished. So going to go ahead and slide this on in here. Got the rack on the lowest rack level. There's only 2 rack levels in this cooker. I'm going to close up like that. Put my temperature probe there. Well, temperature thermometer there. And I've hit the start button. And going to go ahead and let things cook for a while. I'll bring you back when we're at 145. I know about carryover and such, but I'm one who, for those who are used to this channel, know that I like to go all the way with it. So I'll bring you back when it's done. So about 9 minutes have passed. We're already at 144. I guess if this were frozen to start, it would have taken longer, but it didn't go in frozen. So cooked up pretty quick, about 9 minutes, and we're done. So going to go ahead and stop things now, stop the cooker, and going to go ahead and we'll see how this codfish fillet looks. And let's see if I can get it out without making too much mess. Just going to get the probe out of the way first. Now I'm going to go ahead and get in here and see if I can get this onto my cutting board without breaking my fillet into pieces. And there we go. Got it on in one shot. So there's the finished cod fillet. You can tell me what you think about how it looks. So I gave the fish a little time to rest, to reabsorb juices some. Now I've got the other half of that sliced lemon. And I'm going to go ahead and just get some lemon juice all over the cooked up cod fillet. So just give it a nice little extra bit of tart flavor. And now I'm going to go ahead and just cut myself a piece off of this thick end here, and let's see, we'll just get a piece like that for taste testing purposes. And so let's do a taste test. So thank God for some codfish, and let's taste. Turned out very good, moist and juicy. Turned out just nothing went wrong in that cook. Nothing went wrong, just went great. So that's a good thing, and I'm happy about that. And so if you like this video, in the video description, there's lots of ways to help the channel. There's membership, my cookbook, merch, referral link to my Amazon shop where you can get a cooker like this, pay the same price, help the channel, and so all of that good stuff's there. And you can give this video a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe, hit that notification icon, and good eating.